So yesterday, while teaching the students of Chef Arome Culinary School how to make some cakes, especially fruit cake, so I just started to take video while the cake class was going on. Okay, so here is because they had few ingredients at that moment, so I decided to make this video. First, we combine our butter and sugar. We combine 500 gram of butter and 400 gram of sugar and creamed it. So once we are done, we start adding the eggs. So we use 500 grams of whole eggs. So just added the egg just this way. We didn't beat it. Just added the eggs and combine it with the butter and sugar, just as you see in the video. So once we are done combining the eggs, now we set that aside, and to our flour we added half tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So we combine everything together. Now we started adding that into the butter and the egg mixture and combine. Then we added half tablespoon each of lemon zest and orange zest, 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and orange juice, 1 tablespoon of black treacle, half tablespoon of golden syrup. We also added half tablespoon of vanilla flavor and half tablespoon of exotic fruit flavor. Then we added 1.5 teaspoon of nutmeg seed powder. Okay, we crushed the nutmeg, and then our soaked resin. We soaked this resin for almost for like 1 month with alcohol. So we have to sieve it and added 1 cup of it. But first, we have to dust it with flour before adding. So next, we added um liquid brown. You can add your liquid browning according to your taste, so that depending on how the color you want your cake to come out. Then we transfer into our baking pan, tap on the work surface, and baked in the preheated oven according to our oven temperature. So you can bake according to your oven temperature till your cakes are done.